and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical Apple. Before we discuss about Apple ID, family sharing, general, desktop, and screen saver, docking menu, mission control, series, spotlight, and today we learn about language and region. Language and region performs control the language you see in the menus and dialogs and the format of dates, times, and currencies. To change the language and region general preferences on your Mac, use the general pane of your language region system preferences to select language, show in the Finder, and go to Go Apple menu, then open System Preferences. After that, you will see the language tab from here. When you open the language tab, in the left bar, you can see preferred language by default, and I am using English primary language, but you can use secondary language or you can change the primary language whichever you want. If I choose English to Arabic, then I just need to click plus button, then choose Arabic and which language you want to use your primary language. So I'm going to add Arabic, and you'll see use Arabic, and you'll see my system language has been changed. Next one, the dialog box or pop-up option is showing up select input source to add. Which input source you want to add from your keyboard? By default, Arabic 1 to 3, Arabic AZE or TY, Arabic PC, whichever you want. But I'm using Arabic, that's why I'm using input source. To see my language or change or not, you can see here my keyboard or system language, primary language has been changed to Arabic. So that's why you can change your primary language English to Arabic, Arabic to English, and which language you want to use from this list. Or you can search from here, like I'm searching Spanish, or first of all I need to change my Arabic, remove to my Arabic, and primary language is English. Then I need to add a language. If you don't see language, you can search from here. Here is the next one, apps. In apps, customize language setting for the app below. If you don't want to use, or if you don't want to change a whole system setting, then you can use a specific application language. You need to just open or select application, which application you want to use for specific language. For example, I'm using activity monitor, and application is activity monitor. Language, which language you want to use for this application, and I'm going to use Arabic. Add, relaunch now. You see, in applications only activity monitor will be used Arabic. You can see only activity monitor is used Arabic. If I quit this application, and my primary language is still in English. After that I need to, or you can change the language from this pop-up menu. Here in the right side tab, region, which you can change the region. United Arab Emirates, but you can change the region. Image, I'm going to open an image. Live text is already checked, so I can select the text, move the text, copy the text, search the text, and so on. For example, live text is unchecked and I can't do anything, or I can't copy or select text on this image. You can see I cannot able to copy, paste, or search text of this image until you check the option from live text. Here is the translation language. Translation language, you can use which language you want to translate, offline translate, but keep in mind always translate offline using download language. Offline translate may not be as accurate as online translation, but you can use offline translation. If you already have offline translation installed on your Mac, you can remove or download from here. Next one is keyboard preferences. You can add keyboard layout from here. ABC Arabic, click to plus button, and you can add keyboard layout from here. Hindi, the keyboard will be moving to Hindi, Greek, German, and so on. Show input menu in the menu bar. If you want to show keyboard in the menu bar, then check, otherwise you can uncheck this feature from here. And keyboard, of course, keyboard text shortcut we will discuss later about the keyboard session. Last one is advanced. Here you can change your number separate group. When you create a group, you can use comma or full stop space, whichever you want. Same decimal, you can use dot for decimal or comma. Currency, by default currency is AED. You can choose or change by default currency from here, AED to so on. For example, I'm using Spotlight and I'm searching 100,000 100 USD. Sorry, USD. You can see by default currency is dirham and it will convert automatically USD to dirham. But if you choose dirham to different language, like I'm choosing PKR, okay, then I'm going to search again 100,000 USD. You see, by default currency has been changed into PKR. So you can change by default currency from here. Same grouping and decimal, you can choose icons for grouping and decimal from here. Measurement unit, you can choose change measurement unit from here, US, UK or metric. First day of week, but I'm using Monday, but you can choose different day for first day of your as per your requirement. Same dates, which date format you want to use. For example, if you want to use full day name, then you need to choose from the full day or shortcut, which date format you want to use. Same time, which time format you want to use, you can change time format from here, short, medium, long or full. So I hope you like this video. Do please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.